Ah, fair enough.
Sleep is for the weak.
Honestly, sleep is just a handicap.
Wait, are you saying I'm handicapped?
No.
No, you're just saying you're
Awesome, dude. I get to park in the disabled parking space.
You guys ever see?
222 here.
You got 222?
I'll surgically change you into a dog and then fuck you
Yeah.
too.
You see, have you guys ever seen people driving around on the roads and they have the handicap placard and you're like, well, I don't think mental handicap counts.
I think it does.
Does it actually?
I looked up trying to get one in Kansas for autism, and you're able to.
What the fuck?
Blue,
Yeah.
you play Osu, right?
Yes.
I was thinking y'all do double
have you-
snipers on this.
Wait, what?
Have you done beside those closed star map? Have you tried to do relaxed and go on a 6-star map and just try to track it?
No, I have not. I've seen guides talking. Sureforce said you should try that out, but I haven't done it yet.
What you should do is like start off with like normal maps, and then like right before you're about to play Overwatch, do like 2 maps of like a 6 to 7 star, just relaxed, and just try to track every single dot.
Okay, I'll do that on my. I'll probably have to.
You should do it
warm
right
up
now,
tomorrow.
One of the best maps to do it is
Alright, yeah, let me
Honesty.
tab out real
Right now.
fast.
In game,
tapping out.
same time.
I expect bubbles,
Twice.
heals, and amps while I do this.
Too bad.
bottom, right?
Yeah, they have to be going bottom right.
I'm taking higher ground. Okay, I lied.
Where are
Are
they?
they not
No, they're
coming?
scouting.
They're
Do we have
running
another
down.
scrim
that's
scheduled
Sombra
after
again.
this or no?
What?
Do we have another scrim set up for this one or no?
No, I was trying to find one. We can try and
That
get you
might
in.
be-
I'd asked you if you were ready, but
Okay,
you
left.
didn't say anything.
I can't
Oh,
feel
they
that.
dove me
Back
behind.
up,
They dove me
back up,
behind.
I can't see you to bubble. Damn it.
Oh, I'm so out of
My
position here.
bad. My bad.
I'm down.
Somber.
I'm hacked. Point.
Somber's half.
Down.
You guys are down.
What the hell's smacking their keyboard?
It's wrong with me.
It's okay, Wolfer. It's okay.
My game crashed.
It was like the 4th game in a row where all my
Wait,
bubbles
no,
on
I'm
your
good.
end are taken.
Okay, what I've been thinking is if they're obviously scouting like that, we should
That's pretty-
probably just like go find where they are because they have to be close, and we can
They
take a
were.
5v6.
They weren't necessarily. They weren't close that time. They were all the way at spawn.
Well, I mean, the monkey had to be somewhere when he dove me, right?
No, the
You got
monkey
really
pushed it
like you
after
got
they scouted it. We just didn't
right.
know
I'm
to,
saying
that's
okay.
I get
Somber
what you're
behind
saying, but yeah, I don't know. It's tricky.
It's, doing something is better than
Just
doing
waiting around. Yeah.
Somber on me behind.
Somber friends.
Yeah, Winston and Diva are up top.
Instant Diva at top.
They jumped down.
The fire strike.
Monkey one.
Bridge.
Sombra.
Pushing up here.
Somber's behind.
I have dragons here.
She probably has a health back.
Genji one.
She's gonna EMP. No. Genji.
Oh, I'm dead.
There's a monkey on me. Get this
We're all
monkey
dead?
out.
Switching to dive here. Get out. Don't fight it.
Monkey
I got
pop
separated.
out.
They're just primaling me.
Yeah,
Zarya half?
Briga's low.
Okay. Regroup, guys. Just regroup.
They're on goats now.
Fuck are they cocksuckers? Okay, I'm going back. I'm changing.
changing.
Back up. You don't have a Rhine.
Oh wait, what am I doing? I clicked too quick.
Okay, pushing back, man, here. You wanna have shadow, I know that for certain.
Yeah.
Backing up here.
I'm cutting them off with dragons.
New heals.
There's a
Here.
brig on me.
Rhine's isolated, Rhine's isolated.
I'm dead.
Ryan has shutter.
Backing after.
Ryan headshot. Ryan really low.
Ryan's one.
Keep breaking that shield.
Will be.
Swapping for right here.
Ryan.
Run.
Pick on the Ryan.
I'm on Brig.
Peel for Rosario. Peel for Rosario.
I'm on
She's
Brig.
out
Brig has
charge.
one. Brig has
One,
below.
Brig's one,
Brig
good.
is down.
Zarya's pushing spawn.
Zarya.
Pushing spawn. Gun the Zarya. Gun the Zarya.
Zarya's
Ryan.
out.
Heals Ryan.
Job.
Nice job.
I'm pressuring other supports in the back. I'm on Diva here.
Play
Diva's
corner.
half.
Play. Actually, no. Play back to point. They can see Ryan.
No, I'm watching the flank. I'm watching
Okay,
left
then
flank.
play corner.
I'm watching left flank. Besides, they're running goats. They're not gonna flank. They're gonna stay tight knit.
Couple of them
Supports,
on
do me a
fire.
favor and try not to run in between me and Ryan so you take the bubbles. What's your positioning?
Backing up. Backing
Booping
up.
Ryan. Watch your shatter.
I love you.
Recharging
Watch your
shield,
grab. Watch your
recharging
grab
shield.
too. There's shatter. If they don't win fight with that, they're gonna.
Keep me up. Keep me up. I need heals.
I'm bubble you in.
I'm in a bob.
Lost my shadow.
I'm gonna ult after trans. I'm ulting after trans.
Okay, I'll think after that. Should we focusing on trans?
Trans down.
I'm down. We have to touch. We have to touch.
Okay, point.
Oh, I'm literally here.
It's okay.
It's a good.
Good there. What do you want to do for attack?
No.
Double sniper probably would be fine.
Okay.
Do you want to dive in like them or?
No, a double sniper.
Guys, I'm gonna get a fucking 4K here. I promise. All my heart.
believe in you.
Promise. Me too.
Do you want Zen or Lucio?
I think Zen is
Lucio.
fine. Or okay, Lucio.
Oh, Lucio for the space. If you guys want to run Zen there, you can. I don't mind.
Okay. I'll just go Lucio.
Oh, Widow's so fucking smug, dude. Yeah, these guys are good. I checked some of the private profiles and they're fucking from before they went private. Some of them were like masters.
Yeah,
and shit.
they're masters that went down to like 3,300.
Doesn't matter.
No, I was just saying they're
Yeah.
good. Like they're good players.
No dynamite.
That's all.
Running the Arista. Pushing corner. My shield's gone.
Good
Surgeon.
pick.
Moving up. Playing walls. I have no
Good
shield.
res.
The right. Can I get heals? Thank you.
Ashton,
I'm on Widow.
Pushing
There
up
is
in
Widow.
here.
Versus
Right.
low.
He and Hanzo are half.
Bubble you Ryan. Push Arisa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Widow
Push on the
down.
Arista. Push on the Arisa. Good.
I need heals, please. Heals on
Pushing
Hanzo.
Hanzo.
Heals on Hanzo.
Hanzo's going high ground.
He's high ground.
Hanzo's going high ground.
I'm on Hanzo. He's one. Hanzo one.
Hanzo,
Very
nice shot.
high
Oh, nice shot.
Good. Push to come to corner.
did their Zen die? Okay, he did. He did.
I'm pushing up.
Staying behind to push.
I'm taking tank.
Okay, their Ash is on Diva now.
They're running dive again. Oh, they're running floats. I'm murdered.
They're on me.
Why did my fucking ego off, dude? What the fuck?
The brig. Winston backline. Peel for the backline. Go. Take on them.
Yeah, peel. Can we peel for it? Stay grouped.
Diva's knocked.
Zarya half. Zarya on your right. I literally won.
Zarya one shot.
Can't get her. Backing up.
I don't
No
have bubble
sights,
for you.
no sights.
Winston's diving
No
back.
sights.
Winston's still behind. Winston's still behind.
Oh, no. Winston in front. Go.
I got Diva out of mech.
Diva's one. What's his left side? Oh, he's
Briggs out of place. Briggs out of position.
Yeah,
Brig.
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 You can break your shield. Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Michelle, keep pushing the car. We need to get it to the checkpoint, guys.
Zen trans.
I'm trying to farm Grav here. I have Grav.
I'm on Zen.
Let's
Zen
see
is
a
half.
one shot.
Sense
Zen
one
is
shot,
half.
sense one shot.
He was diving high ground.
Yeah,
Careful.
hold it.
Charlie Niner.
Push up. Doesn't matter if we die.
Diva behind.
I'm on Diva.
Diva behind.
Diva on point.
Diva
Diva,
feeding.
Diva's out of mech. Diva down.
In the corner.
I'm going right for crossfire.
Okay.
Beacon arrow out in main. I'm gonna wait before I push
I'm
any
gonna hold
further.
Grav for your dragon here.
Okay. I'll have it shortly. Where are they? I don't see
You
them.
gotta beat the trans out
They're
then.
main. They're main.
You gotta beat the trans out then if we
Alright,
want to.
I'm,
Got it.
I'm moving. Good pick.
They're down there Zen right now, so no chance.
They don't have trance right now. They used their last fight.
Let me know as soon as you get it, cause
Yep, I'm working on it. I'm at 86 right now.
Zarya left flank. Zarya left flank.
I'm flanking. I have dragons.
Yeah.
We got grabbed.
I grabbed.
That
Let
was
me
huge.
know if you can, dude. Let me know.
Oh, I bet you didn't hear it.
Well, I
The sound?
heard theirs. Cause they also grabbed, didn't they?
Yeah, they grab.
Yeah,
Grab.
yeah. Cause I heard the grab and I saw red, and so I was like, oh, that's not ours. And then I heard.
Right after.
Oh, okay, so yeah, that's probably why I didn't hear.
I'm
it.
gonna go far left on the flank, see if I can get an early. They're Ryan now. Ryan instead of Winston.
Yeah, they were running a while ago.
I think they were last fight.
Yeah. Heals run. Dropping shield here to recharge. Play corner.
The Ryan's half.
Where the fuck is this door?
Rain's got shot.
I bubble you.
Back up here.
Ryan
back
half.
up
Ryan literally won there.
Ryan.
Ryan's
Brig on me
down.
left side. Brig on me left side.
here. Brig.
I'm on Brig.
There's a
Get the
diva on me.
Get
Oh,
the brig.
okay.
Get the brig. Get the brig.
Diva also
Shatter.
left
She
side.
better die. Heals Ryan. Heals Ryan. Heals Ryan. Thank you. Recharging shield. Corner.
Taking high ground.
Ryan's gonna have shatter. Careful. Please spread for now. I'm pushing back up main.
Okay, I'm not there.
Blocked it.
Alright, they beat.
I
We'll have another Grav here. Back up.
I will have dragons again. I have dragons. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll go Ash for the Bob potential and the dynamite. Since
Okay.
they're running
I'm
goats.
dead.
Yeah, that
Who's
sounds
gonna
good.
shatter anymore?
That was a big stagger.
It's okay. It's okay. Just wait. Village, if you can, just give me a 3, 2, 1. Okay.
If I can.
Okay,
Yeah. Sometimes they get clumped up real quick and I go for them. I can't count that.
I know.
Okay, we ready?
But
Let's
even
go.
then, just say grabbing.
Oh, actually, yeah. Let's push on.
Just
You
in
wanna go
case. Just
Okay.
in case. Because, like, sometimes voice lines do get
Just try
cluttered.
to listen also for audio.
I was just
Well, I
It'll be
was
in
trying,
English.
but-
Oh no, I just it's in German.
Yeah.
Tell.
But there was Diva Bomb in there grabbing our grabbing, so there's just a
I'm
lot.
grabbing.
Moira's down. Keep me up for a sec. Yeah. Okay.
I'm half to another dragon.
So shatter. The round's gonna have shatter again. Push main this time.
Yeah, they're gonna have shadow. They have grab too. They also have Diva Bomb. They don't have trans. They have beat. I'm putting damage into Ren Shield.
I bubble you ring.
Backing up.
Ren Shield low. Watch your shadow. Oh, that's a Diva Bomb. I just had to sit there and stare at it.
Alright, I have Bob.
Nice.
I'll probably just throw it behind. I'll let I'm gonna wait till Orthis, or not Orthis, until Chef gets a little bit more ult charge, then I'll throw it behind him so that they might have to fucking turn around and deal with it.
Okay.
Okay, Ryan still got shatter.
I bubble you.
I'm putting damage into Ren shield.
Backing up here. Fuck, I hit right click. That was my fault.
I almost got grabbed there. 20 more till grab.
I'll save dragons.
Cool, I mean.
Go bait again. Pushing up here.
I bubble you.
Recharging my shield, play corner here for a minute.
I bubbled you. I'm grabbing him. Oh, never mind. They grabbed us.
They're knocked, they're knocked, they're knocked, they're knocked.
I'm dragoning anyways.
Yeah, I died. I couldn't get it off.
Oh.
Good game.
GG guys.